Parts of a plant. Pre-reading questions. Do you have plants at home? Can you grow a plant without soil? Why? What will happen if you do not water the plant for a couple of days? Aim to familiarize the students with parts of a plant and function of each part. Plants are living things, though they cannot move about themselves. A plant has several parts. Let us learn about the main parts of a plant. A plant can be divided into two parts: root, shoot, stem, branch, bud, fruit, flower, leaf. Root. The part below the soil is called the root. Roots support the plant to stand upright. They do not allow the plant to be carried away by wind or water and provide nutrition to the plant. Roots are usually of two types: taproot and fibrous root. Taproot. A taproot has one big or main root with many thin branches at its sides. Plants such as gram, radish, carrot, mango, bean, mustard have taproots. Fibrous root. A fibrous root has many thin and bushy roots growing at the base of the stem. Plants such as wheat, maize, rice, onion, grass have fibrous roots. Functions of roots. 1. Roots hold the plant firmly in the soil. 2. Roots suck water from the soil and send it to upper parts of the plant. This water contains several minerals dissolved in it. These minerals are necessary for the growth of the plant. 3. Roots of some plants store extra food in them. That is why they become swollen and fleshy. Radish, carrot, sweet potato, beetroot are some among them. We eat these roots as vegetables. Some edible roots. Shoot. The part above the soil is called the shoot. It consists of stem, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Stem and branches. The stem helps the plant to keep it in position. Most plants have branches. The branches hold the leaves up in such a way that they can get maximum sunlight. Stems are tender in young plants, but become hard and woody in older plants. In big trees, the main woody stem is called the trunk. For example, banyan tree, neem tree, etc. Young plant, older plant, tree. Some plants have thin and weak stems. They cannot hold the plant upright. They grow erect with some support. Such plants are called climbers. Grapevine, pea, money plant are some among them. In some plants, the weak stem grows along the ground. Such plants are called creepers. Watermelon, pumpkin are some among them. Climber, creeper. Functions of stems. 1. The stem holds the plant erect to get sunlight and air. 2. It sends water and mineral salts sucked by the roots to other parts of the plant. 3. It carries food from the leaves to all parts of the plant. 4. Some stems become thick as they store extra food prepared by the plant. Sugarcane, potato, ginger are some examples of such stems. Potato and ginger are underground stems. Activity: take a glass half filled with water. Put some drops of blue color in it. Take a light colored flower with a long stem. Put it in the glass. After a few hours, you will notice patches of blue color on the petals. This shows that stems carry water. Leaves. Most plants have green leaves. The green color of the leaves is due to the presence of a green coloring matter called chlorophyll. In most plants, the leaves are flat. Look at a peepal leaf carefully. The flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. In the middle of the leaf is a thick line called the midvein. A number of side lines or veins arise from the midvein. The veins carry water to the leaf. The stalk of the leaf is called the petiole. It joins the leaf blade to the stem. Functions of leaves. 1. Leaves are called the food factories of the plant. They prepare food for the plant with the help of carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. This process of making food by the plant is called photosynthesis. 2. Plants breathe through the tiny pores called stomata, present on the surface of the leaves. During daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide for preparing food and release oxygen. This oxygen is used by living beings for breathing. 3. Leaves of some plants store extra food which we eat as vegetables. For example, cabbage, spinach, lettuce, etc. 4. Plants absorb water in excess than required. This excess water is given off in the form of water vapor through stomata. This process of giving off excess water through leaves is called transpiration. A plant functions. Flowers. Most plants have flowers. They are of various colors. They differ in shape, size, and smell. They develop from flower buds. Flowers grow singly or in bunches. Flowers help plants in the process of reproduction. Some flowers become fruits that have seeds, and seeds grow into new plants. A flower grows into a fruit. Fruits develop from flowers. A variety of fruits are edible. Fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits can be fleshy or dry. Mango, banana, papaya, apple, orange, guava are some examples of fleshy fruits. Bean, pea, groundnut, mustard, almond, cashew nut, raisin are some examples of dry fruits. Fleshy fruits, dry fruits. Seeds are the future plants. A seed has a baby plant inside it. A seed has a cover around it. It is called the seed coat. A seed has one or two seed leaves called the cotyledons. A seed contains food for the baby plant in the cotyledons. Seed structure. When mature and healthy seeds are sown in the soil, they can grow into new plants. This process is called germination. To grow, seeds need right amount of air, water, and warmth. Thus, seeds make the reproduction of plants possible. Growth of a seed into a plant. What have you learned? A plant has different parts: the root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits. The root remains below the soil and the shoot grows above the soil. The root fixes the plant to the soil. It takes in water and mineral salts from the soil. It stores food in some plants. Plants may have either tap roots or fibrous roots. The stem holds the plant erect. It bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The leaf prepares food for the plant. It is called the kitchen of the plant. The flowers grow into fruits. The fruits have seeds inside them. The seeds grow into new plants when they get enough air, water, More to know. The biggest seed in the world is of the double coconut tree, which weighs up to 23 kilograms. It travels a long distance by water before finding a place to grow. The orchid seed is the smallest seed. It is so tiny that about 80 lakh of them weigh less than 30 grams. The roots of the South African fig tree can grow as much as 120 meters under the ground. Some seeds are edible, like peanut, melon, and beans. Word power. Trunk. The thick and hard stem of a tree. Chlorophyll. The green substance present in leaves. Drag. Take the correct name. Give one.
Answer the following questions. Click on the answer button for the answer.
The root, stem, leaves, flowers. Let's explore. Cut a top of a carrot. Put it in a saucer with water. Keep the saucer at a sunny place.